Computer ports and cables. Ports, these are sockets on the computer motherboard which serves as connection point through which peripheral devices connects to a computer. Cables, these are insulated electrical conductors of peripheral devices. Types of cables. Computer cables are grouped into two major categories. A. Power cables. B. Data cables. Power cables. These are cables that provide electrical power to the computer and other electronic devices. They connect a device to a source of power. Data cables. Data cables facilitates the transfer of data and information between devices. Identifying different cables and ports. We have different types of cables and ports, and it is important to know some of them and the devices they connects with the computer. Examples of cables and ports includes VGA cables and ports. Visual graphic array, VGA, they connect computer to display devices like monitors, projectors or TVs. HDMI cables and ports. High Definition Media Interface, HDMI, they support both sound and graphics. They connects many devices like players, TVs, projectors, game consoles etc. They transmit high-quality signal, therefore they are slowly replacing VGA. USB cables and ports. Universal Serial Bus, USB, used in all major electronic devices. They connects all kinds of external USB devices like external hard disks, printers, scanners, mouse, and keyboard. It also supports supply of electric power to devices that needs it. DVI cables and ports. Digital Video Interface, DVI, it transmits both digital and analog signals. It maintains high image quality while transmitting. It is mostly used to connect flat panel LCD monitors to the computers. Ethernet ports and cables. They connect the computer to the Internet and local area network, LAN. .55mm audio ports. They connect standard headphones for output and microphone for audio input. Serial port. Serial ports provide a standard connector to let you attach devices, such as modems, to your computer. PS/2 port and cables. PS/2 ports and cables were used to connect mouse and keyboard. It's rare to find these types of connectors in a modern computer. RCA connectors. Used to connect computer to audio devices, e.g. players. Parallel cables and ports.